It's bittersweet. I'm disappointed that they got stuck on the technicality, but we're optimistic and we're still very grateful for the city of Wichita to have done everything that they did, and we're very hopeful now that the city of Wichita will actually step up and fulfill the will of the voters by enacting a charter ordinance that would allow us to change this on our own. They've already seen what the people have had to say about it, and I think it would be in the people's interest if they were to take that type of action. And it would be in the best interest of the state to make these changes. I mean, if you look at our budget shortfalls, we've got a perfect plan here where we could help to generate revenue if they were to actually take up the conversation of regulating and taxing marijuana as Colorado has. We've had 2 years since Colorado did that, and there's been all kinds of great changes. They've got plenty of money, and maybe Governor Brownback should contact us and hear our ideas.
The city of Wichita just released a statement. I'm not going to be able to personally get a hold of anyone to talk, but the statement's pretty short and sweet. It just says, "We respect the court's decision issued today. The opinion provides clarity for cities receiving such petitions." The last part says, "At this point, there's no action for the city to take." What's kind of your reaction to that statement by the city?
Well, again, I think our reaction is that the people of the city of Wichita have voted, and we think that the city has an opportunity here to fulfill the will of the people, and that it would be in their best interest to enact a charter ordinance that would allow us to enforce this type of an ordinance within our city.
Esau, you've been working on this for a long time, a lot of hard work.
Yeah.
Do you look at this as a dead end?
I don't look at it as a dead end, but I think that Kansas itself, that our legislators have been very resistant to this issue. Even the CBD-only bill that they're trying to pass in the state right now would only help a select few people. It wouldn't help a wide variety of medical marijuana patients, and until we draw that clear and concise line for law enforcement, to be able to react properly in those situations, we're just creating a bigger mess for ourselves. And I think that the state really needs to address this issue, look at the science, and look at what other states are doing, because in my opinion, this is going to pass on a federal level before Kansas even gets their shoes on for the race.